What's up, gamer TTD3 fans? How y'all doing? So today we're gonna play IKEA. So this is a game. It's this one. So this is like a game that when it's nighttime, a IKEA worker chases you, and then you like die because they're saying stuff like, "Excuse me, the stores are closed. Related the video." So yeah, so as you can see, it's nighttime, so we have to build a base. We have to get some food because here in the bottom it says health, energy, and hunger. And here it says walk or run, and here it says to crouch or not crouch. And here you can see this button is to grab the stuff. So you're trying to make a vase, find some food and water. And yeah, let's just go right into it. As you can see, my energy is going down because there's no water around here. So I have to try and find water. And daytime is the best time because the IKEA workers don't chase you and you don't die. Oh my, I was so lucky, IKEA worker was right there. Oh my god. Alright, so what I want to do is do this. As you can see this button on top of the other button, and we can put it here and then drop it. So I'm going to do that to be smarter and get more stuff. So we got raw lemons and 2 water. Let's find more. More food. More food. Any food here? Yes, we found food. Yep, so we got some ice cream and a Dr. Bob drink. So yeah, go collect those. Oh, there's some food over there too. A lot of food. Got some Swedish meatballs. Hang it until it's full. Looks like we have to drop the items. I guess we have to go find the base. We found a base. Super close to food. There's a good base here. There's a good base here. It's gonna be good. Very good base. Alright, so here is so we can at least get in, right? Yeah, so I mean, even got some food here, so now we got more food, and yeah, let's go. So now we got more food, we're gonna do this, so we're gonna pick this up and drop all, yeah, so just drop all, Alright, now we have to go back and get some more food so we don't like die. Oh, so here's the good food. Oh my god, we found pizza. Let's go. blocks to pull it. Yeah. We took like more stuff. Oh, we got more food. Got more lemons. More food and help us and then our base is right here. Oh, Maggie! I need that for sure. I can only grab one. Oh, my inventory is full. We're gonna go back to our base, put the stuff in there, and then go back and get the other methods. So let's go slide in here. We'll all got 7 pizzas. Bro, there's even food right here. Look. Food. Oh my god. Let's get all over here. Hey, at least we found hot dog and pizza. Hey, 10 items, okay. So, 11, 12, 13. Oh, that's like a lot of food. They literally had like no water, no buckets. And they had their own food. But now I have like a lot of food. Some 4 buckets and like 2 water. We have 2 water. No, like 4 for energy because we have the cola. Not even that bad of a base. They have an oven and more food and no ice cream. Do not want to see that. Okay. Yeah, this is good. This is a good base. We got. Okay, is this the only way? No, they can't get in. So we got a perfectly fine base. And they can't get into here, right? No, I'm pretty sure not. So we got a pretty good base here. We got a lot of food. 4 med kits. We got like 4 things for energy, I'm pretty sure. And we got a lot of food right here. Got meatballs. We got 3 Swedish meatballs. There's some meatballs right here, and we can see the Swedish flag. The Sweden flag, yeah. Alright. Very cool, guys. This game. So it's a night 43. I'm pretty sure I get a survive. Oh, we put on the show. Now I just gotta listen. Watch. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, a lot of food here. So, we're gonna eat it. So, you're 100% hungry. Now we're gonna eat some water. Good. Bro, there's food right there. And there's none. Should I take the risk? I'm gonna go for it. go. Phew. Okay, we got more food. We got 2 ice creams. I think I just ate one. Yep, so I just ate one right now. At least I got some more energy. So yeah, I think it's 100 energy right now. Yo, they actually have nuggets right here. I didn't even notice that. Oh my god, I'm so blind. Look. Oh my god. Well, I only survived you guys at the end of the video, so you might as well explore. There's literally like no one. Oh, we better go. No, go! Literally no one. No one. I think we're literally gonna survive. They can't enter from there. So I have all these lights turned off except that one right there. So yeah. Let's see the time. 11:48. Okay. 11:48. Let's get a end. So I think this is the end of the video, guys. Or maybe it gets a little longer. Yeah, yeah, this is the end of the video, yeah. So this is the end of the video, guys. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed.